Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of former Miss USA. Former Miss USA Chesley Christ has died at the age of 30. The beauty queen and lawyer fell from a high elevation of a 60-story condominium in New York on Sunday morning. According to E! News reports, Chelsea was pronounced dead at the scene. An NYPD spokesperson also added that Chesley, who lived on the 9th floor of the building, appears to have committed suicide. However, a medical examiner has yet to determine the exact cause. In a statement shared with Extra TV, where Chesley worked as a presenter, the star's family confirmed her death, saying that her great light was one that inspired others around the world with her beauty and strength. The statement continued, "She cared, she loved, and she shined. Chesley embodied love and served others, whether through her work as an attorney fighting for social justice, as Miss SA, and as a host on Extra. But most importantly, as a daughter, sister, friend, mentor, and colleague, we know her impact will live on." Chesley was crowned Miss USA in 2019, competing in the Miss Universe pageant that year, where she made it to the top 10. During her reign, the beauty queen was part of history-making moment, as for the first time, all 4 major United States pageants were won by black women in the same year, including South Africa's Zozi, who took home the Miss Universe title that year and shared a New York apartment with Chesley. South Africans have since reacted after the news broke that Chesley is normal because she was very close to the former Miss Universe Zozi. One tweeted, "I'm so devastated to wake up to the news of Chesley Christ's untimely passing. As soon as I read the news, all I could think about was how Zozi is taking this, especially since she was so kind to Zozi when she was in the United States, and they formed a great friendship. Rest in peace, Chesley." One also commented, "I know she was Zozi's roommate in New York City. Watched so many of their videos and lives together during the lockdown. Beautiful spirit. Rest in peace, Chelsea. I also can't believe what her family and her friends are going through right now. Sending condolences to the family and prayers. May her soul rest in peace." Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.